How to use indicator. If you are using Codex, I'm going to show you. If you are using pocket option, I'm going to show you also. If you are using MT5, I'm going to show you how to use the indicator. Also, if you are using TradingView, I'm going to show you how to use the indicator. But first, let's start with Codex and pocket option. If you are on your pocket option like this, just press, you guys see the AUD/USD/OTC. Just press the three dots beside it. Once you press the three dots beside it, you guys can see the M1 means 1 minute, the candlestick minute. You guys see the second one that has to, that is where you are going to see the indicator. So you just have to come here, and anyone you want to use, you just have to click anyone you want to use. Currently I'm using these two indicator. Let's say I want to add one more indicator, which is, let me see if I have my day or IS RSI. I'm just going to press RSI. You guys see currently it said TV, then I have to come back, and you guys can see the RSI is below the screen. And if I want to edit it, I just have to press the pencil and edit anything I want to edit. But this video is not for that live for now. And also, if you want to use it on Codex, you just have to come to Codex. You guys see the three dot on top of the screen. You guys see, you are just going to press it. Once you press it, no, once you press it, you just have to drag down. You guys see this pencil. This pencil represent drawing. That means if you want to put all the horizontal line, all these rectangles, mostly I only use horizontal line, so that is the reason I'm not going deep. But if you want to use the indicator, just come down to this last place that have this compass and ruler. Click on it, and you are going to click it. You guys see any indicator. Let's say I want to also add RSI to, you guys can add any indicator. You are just going to find it here. I press RSI. If I'm okay with the settings, I'm going to write okay, and you guys see RSI here. And if you just want to clean all these 41, 70 and 30, because sometimes it can be messy that it won't let you see what is going on, you just have to come here and clean the highs. You guys see, just tap the highs. You are going to like clean all these number and the X logo. You guys see, but if you press the one beside it, it's going to make RSI disappear, and the you won't be able to see the indicator again. So once you press it, the indicator will reappear. You guys see, if you see the up, you guys see 287.87. Look at what is below it. The indicator has the high scores. That means the indicator is not visible, and you guys see it's facing up. If I click it now, it's going to face down and show that the indicator is open. And if I press the eyes, it's going to show all the value of the indicator. So that is how to use the indicator on pocket option and Codex. Now let's go to MT5 or MT4, anyone you are using. Once you come here, you just have to come to chart. Once you are on chart, you guys see this box, triangle and circle. Press it. Once you press it, no, okay, no, sorry, that is how to add all the trending line. You just have to come to this yeah, F. This F, once you press this F, add plus, and you have to come here and add your indicator. If you add the MACD, once you have the MACD and you are good with the settings, just press done. You guys see that is MACD displaying below the screen, and lot more. That is how you are going to add any indicator. Also, if you are using TradingView and you want to add your indicator, once you come here, let's see any chart. Let us open Tesla. Oh, okay, stuck. Oh. No. Well, okay, I think I'm in the wrong zone. Yeah, let's come to all these BTC USDT. I think I'm also in the wrong zone. Okay, chat. Yeah, okay, yeah, just come to chat. Once you come to chat and you are on your chat, on any chat you want to use, just press this. You guys see the pencil is for drawing, as we have it on, is it not pocket option or quoted? You guys see this FX means the indicator. You just have to come here and like click on the indicator you want to use. Anyone, if you want to use envelope, if you want to use RSI, anyone, just come here and click it. Assuming I click this one now, once I click it, it's going to appear on the chart. So you guys see the indicator already appear on the chart. So that is how to use the indicator on MT5, Codex, pocket option and more. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more content.